and I'm telling you to take one alphabet, you take it out. Don't ask your parents to take and give you the card. Parents, arrange the 5 cards on the floor or table wherever they are. Let them identify and take it. You please don't take and give it to them. They are just showing the card. Yeah, ma. Good morning. A, B, C, D, E. 5 cards I need. Place the 5 cards on the floor or table. Now I'm going to tell you one letter and you are going to identify and pick up the card. Only 5 cards. A, B, C, D, E. Okay? Ready your 5 cards? Nimalan. Where is Nimalan missing?
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Nimalan. Come on, take 5 cards A, B, C, D, E. Place it on your bed. You have to identify and take the letters. Place it first. Arrange it. 5 cards. Pravina, Pranavi.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, both of you. Good morning, children. Come on, take your cards, alphabet cards A, B, C, D, E. If you don't have the cards, you can use your My Word Trip book also. A, B, C, D, E. If you have not prepared the cards, you can use My Word Trip book for today. But definitely you have to prepare the cards. Okay, va? Pranavi and Pravina, who is near you? Where is your brother?
Yes, ma'am.
What is your name?
Shivastri Sabarish, ma'am.
Okay, Sabarish.
Yes, ma'am.
You got the cards, alphabet cards?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah,
Then
ma'am.
give it to them. 5 cards A, B, C, D, E.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Place it on the table. We'll conduct the activity.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, ma. Nitish. Adarsh, good morning. Nitish, good morning. Mokshita, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. Maushita, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning, Mokshita. You got your uniform. Very good. Looking good in your uniform, everyone. Ready? Shall we start the activity? Have you all prepared ABCD card? A, B, C, D, E. 5 cards. Arrange it on the table. Let's start the activity. Adarsh, why ma you are crying? என்னாச்சுமா ஆதர்ஷ்? ஆதர்ஷ் அம்மா என்ன பண்ணீங்க குழந்தைய? Adarsh mom. Why my boy Adarsh is crying? Chocho. Why ma? Okay, star for Adarsh. Ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream. What happened, Adarsh mom? Sorry. I think there is network issue, Adarsh. Sorry, Adarsh, I'm not able to hear you. Kevin. Those who have joined now, I'm telling you one more time. Take A, B, C, D, E. 5 cards. Arrange it on the table. We are going to conduct the activity. Yes. First alphabet is
Excuse me, ma'am.
D. Yeah?
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
we need small letters too or only capital letters?
Capital letters alone. We didn't start small letters, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
D. First is D. Ma'am also arranged 5 cards in the table. Now I'm going to take the D card. D for da 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 da. D. Da 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 da. See me play on my drums. D. Very good. Good. Shravanya, do the activity. No need to unmute yourself, children. Someone's mic is echoing. I don't know whose is that. So please don't unmute. Just pick up the card and show it near the camera. I'll find it out. Who is that? Yes? Whatever cards you have picked out, keep it aside. Yes? Whatever cards you have picked out, keep it aside. Don't mix it with the cards, okay? Next alphabet is B. Now B, 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 B. 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 Very good. B. 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 Very good, Tilakar, Riyasri, Pranavi, Pravina, Yukta. Good. B. Take out your B card. Where is B, Kevin? Find out which is B. Show it to ma'am. Very good, Adarsh. But ulta, Adarsh. B. Very good, Kadambari. Ilango, good. B. Next is E. Eggs in the pan. E. E. Sorry, A I have shown. Sorry. E. E. Sorry, I made a mistake. E. Eggs in the pan. Pranavi and Praveen are laughing. Ma'am tappa kamstangana. Eggs in the pan. Eggs in the pan. Eggs in the pan. Crack the egg like this. Very good, Kevin. E. Adarsh, good. Very good. Ma. Kadambari, good. Yes, ma, Kadambari? Good. Okay, next alphabet is C. C. Very good, Adarsh. Good, ma, Kadambari. Pranavi, Pravina, Nimalan. Good. Riyasri, Tilakar. Yukta. Good. Kevin. Good. Mokshita. Where is your card? C. C. Very good. Next is A. 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 A is very easy. Very good. And so my arm. A. Now keep the 5 cards aside. Next set of words is F, G, H, I, J. 5 cards. F, G, H, I, J. 5 cards. Keep it ready. Arrange it on your table. F, G, H, I, J. Okay, now pick up I. E. Inky the mouse is my pet. E. I. Phonic sound of I is E. Very good, Kadambari, good. Yashri, good. Pranavi, Pravina, good. Very good, Nimalan. Yukta, good. Nitish. Mokshita. Very good, Kevin. Shravanya, where is your card, Shravanya? If you don't have, you can write in the slate and show it to me, Shravanya. I. Ulta, like H you are showing. I. Good. Very good. I over. Next is F. 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 Which is F? F. Very good. Kadambari good. Ilango good. F. Very good. Shravanya, Yukta. F. Very good, ma. Nimalan good. Nitish, you don't have cards with you, Nitish? Nitish, if you don't have cards, you write and show it in the slate, ma.
Okay, ma.
Yeah. Very good. F over. Next is J. 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 Jelly and jam, jiggling on the plate. Oh, what will I eat with it? J. Very good, Kevin. Nimalan, Ranavi, Pravina, Yukta, Kadambari, Ilango, good. Very good, ma Nitish. Well done. Tilakar, good. Next is H. I like to hop, hop, hop. Ha, 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 ha. I like to hop rhyme. Very good. H. Good. H. Ulta. Kevin. It's like I. Yes, good. H. Well done. Good children. H. Very good, Nitish. Very good, Ma Tilakar. Tilakar, where is H, Tilakar? H. Very good. And finally, G. G, 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 G. G, 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 G. G. Ulta G, Riyasri. G. Yukta, good. Kevin, good. Adarsh, where is your G card? G, enge Adarsh. H, that is H. G. Very good, Adarsh. Good. Keep the cards aside. Very good, Ma Kadambari. Keep it aside. Now, next set of words. K, L, M, N, O. K, L, M, N, O. K, L, M, N, O. Ready? 5 cards. Okay, now pick up O. O. It's so dark, the lights go on. Oh. Time for bed, the lights go off. Oh. Very good. Oh. Well done. All of you well done. Kadambari, Nimalan, Pranavi, Pravina, Yukta, Adarsh, Tilakar, Riyasri, Shravanya. Oh. Kevin, oh. Oh. Adya, where is your card? Oh. First, prepare 5 cards, children. K, L, M, N, O. From that, you take the O card.
Look at this.
What is that, Sarah?
I found my O.
Oh, what is that? It's written in your spoon, ah?
Yes.
Who did it? Your mama?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Okay. Next. Very good, children. Okay, next letter is L. L. Lick my lollipop. Lick my lollipop. I lick my lollipop. Very good. L. L. Very good, ma. Sarah. Kadambari. What is that? Ilango Ulta, like 7. Good. L. Riyasri, good. Kevin, good. L. Very good. Nitish and Yukta. L. Very good. Next letter is M. M. Mom and the dad makes many meals. M. M. Very good. M. Well done. Good. Nimalan, W மாதிரி காட்டுறீங்க Nimalan, உல்டா. M. N you are showing Maria Sri. I asked M. M card. Very good, Tilakar.
Mommy.
Adya, where is M?
What
M,
is
M, M.
Not.
M.
M.
Okay. Next is K. K. Kite. K. Very good, Sarah. K. Very good, Kadambari. K. Good. Kites are flying in the sky. Yeah, very good, Kadambari. K for Kadambari. Good. Kites are flying in the sky. K, 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 K for Kevin also. Kites are flying in the sky. K, 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 K for Kidzi. Yes?
Ma'am,
Yes, Mokshita's mom.
ma'am, your voice is too low, ma'am. It's not audible for me.
Not audible for everyone, na? Is everyone facing the same issue?
It is audible to us.
Audible only, yeah. Check your volume, Mokshita's mom. Full volume only I have. I'll try to say a little bit louder. Next alphabet is N. N. Hear the aeroplane. Hear the aeroplane. Hear the aeroplane. Making lots of noise. N. N letter. Very good. Adhya, Kadambari, Pranavi, Pravina, Adarsh, Kevin. Daddy is showing the card, Kevin. Next, Nimalan, Shravanya, Yan. Yan, very good, Nitish. And our next set of cards, P, Q, R, S, T. P, Q, R, S, T. Prepare those 5 cards on your table. P, Q, R, S, T. Identify on your own, children. Don't ask help from your parents. For that only I am giving you 5 letters. Arrange it on your table, identify and pick up the card. Don't get help from your parents. It will not help you.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma.
3, 4, 5.
3, 4, 5. Ah. Good mood, Adya Sharma today. Okay, first card.
Queen.
Huh? Yes, madam. Q for queen. Thank you. Okay, first card. Pick up the R card. R. See my dog. Rip the rag. R card. R. Nitish, R. Very good, Kadambari. Adarsh, pick up your R card. Yukta, good. R. Very good, Adya. R. Are you picking it up on your own, Adya? Mama should not help her. R. Very good, Mokshita. Children, don't unmute yourself, mute yourself, or else you can't hear me. R. Very good, ma Nitish. Nimalan, Shravanya, R. Very good. Ilango, good. Tilakar, good. Very good. Kevin, R. Good. Next is T. T, 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 T. When I watch the tennis play, T, 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 T. When I watch the tennis play, my head goes back and forth. T, T, T. T. T, T, T.
T.
Very good. That is Q, Maria Sri. Q, wrong. T. Very good, Kadambari. Ilango. T. Yukta. Pranavi, Pravina, Nimalan. Kevin, good. T. Shravanya, where is your T? T. Good children. Ilango, you are able to identify, ma. Is there any problem?
No, ma'am, no. He's identified.
Identifying. Everyone is identifying our parents. Please let me know all of them are able to identify.
Yes, ma'am. Pranavi and Pravina has identified.
Yeah, thank you.
Not
Sarah, T.
Ma'am.
T.
Yeah, Adarsh mom.
Ma'am, Nitya ma'am.
Or 1 minute, ma. Nitish mom, 1 minute.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, Adarsh mom.
I can only able to identify few letters, ma'am, like A, B, C, P, Q.
Yeah, Adarsh will go little bit slowly. Five letters.
Five letters.
Okay. First, let him identify
Okay.
A to
First, let
E
him identify
correctly.
A to E correctly.
Then we'll move on to the next set of
Then we'll
letters.
move on to
Okay.
the
No
next
need
set
to
of
worry.
letters. Okay, no need to worry.
End of the session, I'll ask him
End
the
of the session, I'll
identification
ask him the
activity.
identification activity.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, Nitish, mom.
மேம் நித்தின் நாட் ஐடென்டிஃபை மேம். அவன் சொல்ல சொல்ல நான் சொல்ல சொல்லதான் எழுதுறான் மேம். ஸ்லீப்பிங் லைன், ஸ்டாண்டிங் லைன் அந்த மாதிரி தான் மேம் தெரியுது அவனுக்கு.
அதுக்கு தான் கார்டு ரெடி பண்ண சொன்னேன்.
நான்
ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கார்டு வேணும். கார்டு இருந்தா தான் அந்த லெட்டர்ஸ் வந்து பதிவாகும் உங்களுக்கு. ஸோ டுமாரோ ஆர் டே ஆஃப்டர் டுமாரோ யூ ப்ரிப்பேர் ஃபார் த கார்ட்ஸ். அதர்வைஸ் ஏதாவது ஒரு நோட்ல ஃபுல்லா A to Z எழுதி சர்க்கிள் பண்ண வைங்க. யூ டோன்ட் ஆஸ்க் him to write like that.
ஓகே மேம்.
Okay? We'll see.
ஓகே மேம்.
Tomorrow we'll see. Yeah, welcome.
ஓகே மேம்.
Okay, children. Next letter is S. Snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. Very good, Kadambari. S. Nimalan. Good, Nimalan. Shravanya, good. Ilango, good. Tilakar, you are always good. I know you'll identify everything. Yukta, good.
Thank you.
Welcome, Kana. Good. Yes. Srinija, where is your S? You don't have cards, Srinija? Adya Sharma, where is your S? Yeah, very good, Ma Srinija. Adya Sharma. Yes. Sarah, where is your S, Sarah? 26 spoons you are having, ah? Huh? Each letter in one spoon, ah? Chuchu. Your mama is very great, Sarah. Okay, S is over. Next is P. P.
Capital S, small s.
Very good, Adya Sharma. Next is P.
Mom.
P. Puff for the candles on the pink cake. Puff, puff, puff. Puff, puff, puff. Puff for the candles on the pink cake. Puff, puff, puff. P. Good. Sarah P. Very good. Well done. Good. Kadambari, Ilango, good. Nimalan P. Very good. Kevin, very good. Kevin is identifying on his own. Kevin's dad. Kevin's dad.
சொல்லுங்க மேடம்.
அவனே ஐடென்டிஃபை பண்றானா கெவின்?
அவன் தான் மேம் எடுத்தான் அந்த கார்டை.
சூப்பர், வெரி குட் கெவின். Okay, finally Q. Very good children. Q. Q for queen. We don't have phonic rhyme for Q. Quack, quack, quack. Close your mouth. Quack, quack, quack. Q. Quack, 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 quack. Q. Very good, all of you. Next is R. Sorry. Next set of letters. U, V, W, X, Y, Z. The rest of the 6 letters. U, V, W, X, Y, Z. U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Finish it fast, children. We have to start the session with Kidsy Anthem also. It took a lot of time. Yeah. Ready with the rest of the letters? Okay, first is X.
U.
Take an X-ray. Take an X-ray.
U, ma'am.
Take an X-ray. X-ray of my hand.
U, ma'am.
I asked you to take X. X.
Yes.
X for Xmas tree. X for xylophone. X for X-ray. Very good, children. Done. Well done. X. Very good, Ma Mokshita. Yukta, Nitish, Nimalan. Good. X. Next is U. U. Up go umbrellas. Up go umbrellas, up go umbrellas when it starts to rain. You. You.
Next time, laptop.
Sara, you. Adya, you. Not this you. You. Alphabet U. Yeah, very good, Ilango. Achachacho. Ilango and Mama. Everyone is watching you both. I'm going to close my eyes. You. Very good, children. You. Ulta you, Mokshita. Sara, where is you? Very good, Mayukta. Kadambari, you. Very good, Sara. Next is Y. Yeah. Why? Yeah. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. Yeah. Well done, children. Very good, all of you. Well done. I'm so proud of you, children. Next is we. We. Drive Vix van round the village. Drive Vix van round the village. Drive Vix van round the village. Ooh. V. Very good. V for what, ma'am? V for?
Vanilla.
Aha, smart Kadambari. V for vanilla, ma'am. Good. V. Kevin. Vanilla, ma'am.
Vanilla man சொல்லு.
Vanilla man.
Good.
Vanilla man.
Vanilla, okay. V. V. Very good. Next is Z. Z. Have you ever? Yeah, very good, Mokshita. Z. Have you ever heard a bee buzz? A bee buzz. A bee buzz. Have you ever heard a bee buzz? Like this. Sara, good. Good. Z. Very good, all of you. Well done. Next is W. Finally. W. W. I see the clouds moving. I see the kites flying. I see the trees bending. The wind is blowing strong. Wow, very good. Well done. Clap hands for yourself, all of you. Give a high five to mom. High five to mom, everyone. High five. High five. Very good, ma. Good. Very good, children. Keep your cards aside. We'll finish with Kids the Anthem. Okay, today mom is going to say very fast. Join your hands and close your eyes. Come on, quick. Join your hands, close your eyes. Kids the Anthem. You are within me. You are infinite. You are unique. My potential inside. You are the wings beneath my flight. You define me. My potential inside. Today I pledge with all my might. I shall achieve you. My potential inside. Yes, good morning, everyone. Good morning. Yeah, get ready for the attendance. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Yes, who's that calling, ma'am? Yeah, come on, attendance.
Here I am.
Very good, Adya Sharma. You're improving a lot. I'm happy about that. Next.
Here I am, ma'am.
Very good, Elango. Next. I think Nakshatra is absent today. Next, Nitish.
Mummy daddy.
Nitish.
சொல்லு நல்லா சொல்லு.
What is that? Driving a car? Ah? Here I am. Very good.
I am ma'am.
Kevin. Yeah, good man, Nitish. Kevin, close your mouth. From next class, you are going to wear mask, right? Wear your mask and come. Kevin, here I am. Huh?
Here I am.
Very good. Next. Thank you, Riyasri. Sarah. Sarah. Sarah is absent today. Chicho. I'm going to mark absent for Sarah. Shall I mark absent for Sarah? No, Sarah.
Sarah.
What happened to her today? Okay, Sarah, I'm marking you present only, okay? Next, Pranavi. Good, Pravina. Very good. Srinija.
Say. Okay. Hiraya Belina, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you, Ma Srinija. Tilakar.
Hiraya, ma'am.
Thank you, Tilakar. Yukta.
Hiraya, ma'am.
Thank you, Yukta. Kadambari.
Hiraya, ma'am.
Thank you, Kadambari. Shravanya. Shravanya. Thank you, Shravanya. Mokshita.
Hiraya, ma'am.
Thank you, Mokshita. Nimalan. Very good, Nimalan. Yeah, thank you, Manimalan. Adarsh. Adarsh. Here I am. Okay, Adarsh. Okay, Adarsh. Next, I'm going to come back. Children, next is our rhyme session. Mummy, Daddy rhymes. Today, who is going to sing? Any two of you should sing today. Who will sing Mummy, Daddy rhymes? Mummy, Daddy, Mummy, Daddy. Who is going to sing? Who will sing today? Srinija sing ma. Others mute yourself. Wait. Pranavi, Pravina, wait. Srinija will sing, then you can sing, okay? Yes, Srinija.
Daddy, mommy, daddy.
Tilakar, mute yourself.
I love you. You love me. I love you.
Care for me too. Brother, sister.
Brother, sister. Let's play.
Sing and dance.
Laugh and play. All through the day.
Grandma, grandpa.
Grandma.
You're so sweet.
I give huggies. I give chicken.
Very good, Srinija. Yes, Pravina and Pranavi. Others, please mute yourself. Pranavi and Pravina. Together you sing, okay?
Mommy, daddy, I love you. Sing and dance.
You love me too. You love me too. Okay, Pranavi, you can sing.
I love you, love you.
Pravina, you can sing.
Mommy, daddy, I love you.
You love me too. You love me too, and care for me too. Achacho. Children, mute yourself. I'm going to sing now. Mute yourself. Mummy, daddy, I love you. You love me too, and care for me too. Brother, sister, let's all play. Sing and dance, laugh and prance all through the day. Grandma, you're so sweet. I'll give you a hug and give you kisses when we meet. Okay, learn it properly, children. Tomorrow I'll be asking you one more time. Okay, next time is two little eyes. Yesterday I taught you, right? Two little eyes to look around. One, two little ears to hear the sound. One little nose to smell what's sweet. One little mouth that likes to eat. Two little eyes to look around. Two little ears to hear the sound. One little nose to smell what's sweet. One little mouth that likes to eat. Okay, this is our body parts, right? Now I want you to take your worksheet D05LT. Come on. D05LT. You will have U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Are you all ready with your craft materials, children? Yesterday itself we didn't do that rat activity. Today we'll do. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, fine. We'll finish this worksheet and we'll start to do. Come on.
Ma'am, page
UV
number, ma'am.
D05LT. Children, write today's date. Today's date is 7/7/2021. The same number, color it in your calendar also, children, after the session. 7/7/2121. Start writing it, children. U first. First letter is U. I want all of you to spell and write, children. Don't randomly write. Spell and write U. U like that. You have to spell and write. U for umbrella. U for uniform. U for up. U for unhappy. U. Next is V. V sounds V. Vase. Van. Vulture.
Ma'am, sorry for disturbing you, ma'am.
Yes, tell
Ma'am,
me, Mokshita's mom. There is nothing like disturbing. Whatever you ask, I'll answer. Come on.
I don't know the page number, ma'am. Where is it?
D05. Yesterday we did, day before yesterday or yesterday, I don't know. We did that PQRST, right?
After that, ma'am?
Yeah, after that only we'll have.
Okay, ma'am.
10 worksheet you did, right? You said that my daughter finished 10. After that, you will have one sheet. And then you will have this UVWXYZ. V. The edge should be sharp for V, children. It should not be like U. See here, for U, you will have a bend here. But for V, it should be a sharp end here. Kadambari, are you writing? Next is W. Like mountain pattern only, children. For M, we'll do no. Same thing. W for watch. W for window. W for wheel. W for walrus. W. Got the sheet, Mokshita's mom?
Yes, ma'am. I got it, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, welcome. Next is X, children. X. Phonic sound for X is X for X-ray. X for Xmas tree. X for xylophone. Two slanting lines, children. One line, left slanting line and the right slanting line. Next is Y. Y for yak. Y for yacht. Y for yam. Y for yellow. Y for yo-yo. Next is Z. Z for zebra. Z for zoo. Z for zip. Z. Z. Spell and write, children. Z. Why are you writing in slate, ma? Pranavi and Pravina, why don't you write in your worksheet? All of you are having your kit, right? Pranavi and Pravina. Pravina, write in your worksheet. Come on. Playing. Why are you writing in your slate? Write in your worksheet. Both of you. Sabarish, where is their worksheet, Sabarish? D05LT. Take your book. Now only you are taking your books, children. Both of you, what happened today? No sleeping, Ilango. One day, ma'am is also going to sleep in session C. Tilakar. Right. Where is Sarah?
Now finish.
Who finished? Shravanya, Mokshita, finisher.
Yes, ma'am.
Is very good, ma Shravanya.
Girls.
Why, Shravanya? Sleepy, yeah? Come on, bring your materials that we have to do for the craft. Come on. Keep it ready on your table. Those who have finished, be ready with your materials. And the next worksheet, A to Z, you will have. After that, we finish this Z, no? After this page, you will have another page, A to Z. D05LT only. This page, A to Z, this is your homework today. This will be your homework. Have to do it at home. Okay? A to Z. From A to Z, you will have to trace and send it. Okay, children? Who else finished? Srinija finished? Good, ma Srinija. Very good. Did you write today's date? Have you written the date today?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, good. Bring your materials, come on. Yukta finish?
Ma'am, finish, ma'am.
Writing, Yukta. Okay. Who finished, ma?
He has Y and Z, ma'am.
Yeah. Someone said I finished.
Finish, ma'am.
Kadambari finish. Ah. Good. Show me your book, Kadambari. Wow, children, very good. Good, Kadambari. Next, who else finished? Nitisha.
Ma'am, please ask Nimalan to write, ma'am.
Nimalan. Nimalan. Nitish, very good, Nitish. Bring your materials, Nitish.
Finish, ma'am.
Very good. Nimalan, right, Nimalan? We have to do the mouse activity. Sorry, rat activity. Come on.
I'm finished.
Very good, Matilakar. Well done. Bring your materials for rat activity. Come on, fast.
Yes, ma'am.
Nimalan, see, everyone is watching you, Nimalan. Look at the screen.
Finish, ma'am.
Nimalan. Look here, Nimalan. Writing. Very busily writing. Very good, Yukta. Fine. Have you written the date, Yukta?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good girl, ma. Wow, in the date column itself. Good. Thank you. Next, who else? Children, those who have finished, come on, be ready with your materials. A triangle, two circle for ears, two small circle for eyes, and one small cotton ball for nose, and two rectangular strips for the whiskers. Bring it. Are you hungry, Tilakar? Why are you keeping pencil inside your mouth? Hmm?
Ma'am. What?
Why are you keeping a pencil inside your mouth? Who else finished, children? Everyone has finished, huh? Sarah?
Ma'am, Sarah has little confusion in writing X, ma'am. I'll make her to write later, ma'am.
Yeah, okay, fine.
Remaining things she has finished.
Yeah, fine. Thank you, Ma, Sarah. Sarah, bring your materials, come on, for making the rat.
Mommy.
Yes? Those who have finished, come on, take the big triangle. You have the big triangle, right? And top you have one point. This point you have to fold it into half like this. Front side. Fold it to your front like this. And then crease it. Okay? After you crease it, have to stick 2 ears. See, you will have a triangle, right? This tip you have, right? This tip you have to fold it front towards like this. And crease it. Fold it. After you fold it, stick 2 ears in each side, this side and this side. Parents, apply the glue and give it to them. Let them do it on their own.
மேல பண்ணு. Where do you find the ears? இது கொஞ்சம் மேல பண்ணு.
Stick your ears.
Enough. Don't disturb her.
Bunny-a?
Ma'am, she's not writing now whether
Hi,
shall it
Madhya.
goes flat or with this.
Yeah, you can do the activity, no problem. It depends on her mood. Finish and send it, Madhya, okay?
So nice,
Adya, activity karo, come on. Take a triangle. Take the triangle and fold it like this. Half of it you have to fold it. After folding it, you are going to stick 2 ears to it. Finish. Very good, ma Pranavi. Sorry, Pravina. Pranavi, you didn't write, You didn't finish? Kevin, where is your activity, Kevin? Good, ma Kevin. Come on, start doing the activity. And then 2 eyes. Stick 2 eyes. Stick 2 eyes. Yeah, very good, Kevin. Kevin has written. Good.
நான் எழுதல.
Ah.
நான் தான் கை பிடிச்சி எழுத வச்சேன். பிராக்டிஸ் பண்ணணும்.
Okay, slowly we'll do it. No problem. That why W, X and all little bit difficult only. Make him write in the slate first. அதுக்கப்புறம் நோட்ல எழுத வைக்கலாம்.
Let's go, Sarah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wherever you find right.
2 eyes. If you don't have 2 small circles for eyes, you can draw it with a sketch pen also. Google eyes are very good, ma Kadambari. Very nice. Very cute rat. And then you have a small cotton ball, right? That you stick it in the tip of the triangle. Here you have a tip, right? This tip here. In the tip you have to stick it. Here in the end. In the tip you have to stick the cotton. And then finally your whiskers. You yourself stick it, children. Your mama will apply glue for you. You yourself stick it. Yeah, very good, Sarah. Now whiskers. Hey, Sarah, creating your own rhyme, Like X, you stick it.
X. எப்படி one full slanting line. Slanting lines high five கொடுத்துக்குது. Now give a high five.
Sarah, you can color it black, Sarah. Color it with black color crayons also. It's yellow in color, no? After you stick it, you color it, okay?
My wishes is
Finish. Where is the tail? We didn't finish the tail, no? Wait. Tail. Rat will have a tail, right? We didn't stick the tail for the rat. A small tail for the rat. Come on, stick the tail. You yourself stick it, children. Find out how to stick. where to stick, everything. If you stick only, it will be very useful for you. It will be very interesting. If your parents are doing it, then how will it be interesting for you? Let them apply only the glue, children. If they are doing also, you say, Amma pannada na pandren அப்படின்னு சொல்லுங்க.
Ready.
Where is your rat, ma Kadambari?
Pocket full.
Very nice, Kadambari. Good. Kadambari's rat is ready. Vanilla ma'am rat is ready.
Black Black is ready.
Black. What black?
Black தானே எடுக்கணும்.
Mute yourself. First mute yourself, Pranavi and Pravina. Okay. Listen carefully. You have a triangle. Triangle இருக்கா? அந்த triangle இப்படி fold பண்ணணும். Top tip இருக்கா? இந்த tip இருக்கா? This tip is there, no? Correct. Tip இருக்கா? எங்க இருக்கு அந்த tip? இந்த tip இருக்கா? இந்த tip இப்படி மடிக்கணும். Correct. மடிச்சிட்டு crease it. Crease பண்ணுங்க. Very good, Kanna. Now stick ears. இதுதான் face. Now this is the rat face. Okay வா? Stick the ears. Ears ஒட்டுங்க two sidesல. Adarsh. Finish, Adarsh. Very good, Adarsh. Such a cute rat. We'll see a rat in that Ratatouille film, no? It's like that rat, Adarsh. Very nice. Very good, Yukta. Beautiful, Yukta. Draw black color this eyeball for that rat, ma. Black color eyeball.
Okay. This
Eyeball, okay.
Ilango, what are you doing? And all of you name your rat. What name shall we keep for this rat? I named it as Stuart. What is your rat name? Those who are finished. My rat name is Stuart.
Lula.
Stuart.
Stuart Little. My rat name is Stuart Little. What is your rat name, children? Kevin. This is the 5th time you are doing, Kevin.
My rat name Nemo.
Pranavi and Pravina, this is the top side face, no? There only you should stick the ears. And then 2 eyes in this triangle. This part only you should stick.